Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have the 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5 XP package in the double cab configuration. This one is in the super wide exterior with the black cloth. Now as far as options go, as you can see, that XP Rockstar package does include things like the chrome exhaust tip, running boards, 17-inch wheels. You also do have the charging USB ports for a total of 35,812. Gas mileage is 19 city, 24 highway, 21 combined. Coming down here to our wheels, there's going to be those 17-inch alloys. There's that chrome exhaust tip as well. Coming around back, as you can see, the X Series badge. This one does have the 5-foot composite bed also. XP badging right there. And we'll go ahead and hop in, so just press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And we will insert our key, twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we do have the 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6. This features D4S direct import fuel injection, producing 278 horsepower, 265 foot-pounds of torque. All going to the rear wheels in this model since it is a 4x2 model and the 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, as you can see, we do the cement gray cloth interior on this model. It's going to be a 4-way manual driver's seat with manual lumbar adjustments. And then as far as your door panel goes, you have this nice padded cement portion right here. Power windows, locks and mirrors with door storage down below. You also do have your bed light controls and your automatic high beams right there. And then coming to your steering wheel, it is a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel, side bolstering grip extensions, audio, voice commands, and Bluetooth on the left, and over on the right, your controller for the center display right there. You also have your dynamic radar cruise and lane keep assist, main cruise stalk on the wheel. You also do have your headlights over here with your tap to 3 blinks blinkers, and then over on the right, you do have your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now coming to your head unit, you do have your AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your apps, you do have your traffic and your weather data. Then going home and a little split screen view that you can customize. Below that, single zone manual climate control, so you just have your fan speed, temperature, and zones. Very simple and easy to use. Here's going to be your power sliding rear glass. It's very fast. A little demonstration for that right there. USB and auxiliary audio inputs with a 12-volt. Plenty of storage with cup holders, more cup holders. That's 6-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse to give you that rear backup camera. Nice padded armrest with plenty of storage in there. Glove box, same over here with that phone charger and the manuals in there. Auto dimming rear view mirror with compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a little sunglass storage over here and your map lights. So that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, that same cement gray cloth does follow through. And with the front seat set by 5'9" frame, do have adequate room, plenty of foot room. Also do have some cup holders. There's those charging USBs for your rear seat passengers also. There are 2 of those. Door panel materials, that same padded armrest with your power window and door storage. Adjustable rear headrest. Up top you do have some coat hooks, damped cornering handles, and a little dome light up top. Nice view of the dash right there. Let's go ahead and check out that bed and we'll wrap up our video. Now coming around back, we have the 5-foot composite bed on this double cab model with your backup camera and locking rear tailgate that's damped. D-rings in all 4 corners to tie down larger items. You also do have storage and the rail system, so you can put in rails and make tying down stuff even easier. Go ahead and lift this back up. You do have your electronic connections for your trailer hitch also down there. And that about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5 XP package. Now if you're interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.